Hello, this is again Lauren Talkback. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error in Windows. Please subscribe to our Top Tech videos so you can check it out. You try to connect to your internet and it shows it can't connect to the network. Whenever you do that, that's what it does. It has been kind of a problem to me. Whenever you could try, like I'm research, I'm like seeing something and the internet fails to connect. So what you do immediately, you go to settings. After clicking on settings, from the start menu you look for where there is internet and network. Then you click on Wi-Fi. You first put Wi-Fi on and off. Then from that you restart your PC, see whether it has worked. You see it hasn't worked. So I'm going to give you another method which you can use so that it can be done. You open my PC, then go to manage. After going to manage, then you look for where there is device management manager. Then you look for where there is network adapters. You see, there is a down menu extension. You click on it. Then you update the drivers of the internet. You see wireless network adapter. You click on it, double click on update drivers. Since you don't have net, you browse from the PC. You select the drivers, click next to update, and you let it update until it finishes. If they don't work, you delete them, then you reinstall again. Then here you see it has failed. You restart the PC to see whether it has worked. If it doesn't, let me give you a third method which you can use, and so that you can troubleshoot that problem. You open the search bar and put in CMD, then you run it as an admin. After doing that, then you press this code. It's already on the screen. It's what you will be pressing. You press NETSH space WISOCK space reset. Then you click enter. You click enter. You can see the following command wasn't found. So now you click this command in the video, like how you're seeing it. You see they are saying restart the computer to complete this action. Before working out, you have to restart the PC so that it can work very well. Then after that you press enter that code like how it's written. Then you click enter. Then you enter it into this command to execute this command. Write it like how it's written in the video. You see, still it's not working out. There is the last command here. It's showing okay. resetting. Okay, reset your PC to complete this action. So we reach to the exit code, which you can insert in this command, ipconfig. Then you configure the DNS of this PC, of this network. Then you click enter. After clicking enter, then you click exit to exit the program and restart your PC to see whether it has totally worked like how we wanted it to be, so troubleshoot that problem. Those are the methods which I've tried to use so that you can follow in this detailed video. If any you have got like any challenge, just inbox me. I'll be there to help you out. If you like the video, please subscribe this channel and drop a like. It will help me to create another video. As you see, internet has totally worked. So guys, that's it for today. Please share the video for more people so that they can be helped out. People have got this kind of a problem, but this helps them very well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel. Bye bye.